This is a Polaris 9R XCR, custom built for doing freestyle and speed and style. So out front here, we got custom built shocks from Olin's. We got a custom printed wrap from Deviant Inc. We got a 900cc motor inside the chassis. These handlebars come from CFR. It's a custom bend, it's a Turcotte bend. It's a signature handlebar that you could go and buy. You could be sick like me. This giant hole in the seat, that's for doing freestyle tricks. Right side up, upside down, I'll be using that all weekend long. And you know what? We're here at Aspen. It's X Games. You know what that means. The Wolf shirt's here.